gonna dive off into this F82. We've got a gorgeous set of MSR front mount intakes that we're gonna install.
So is this the factory placement?
This is factory replacement. It's SSR's version of it. So they are nice, super nice pipes, but he just wanted to change his design and get the front mount ones. So these will come out, the bumper is gonna come off, and then the new filters, you'll see them behind the grills once we're done. So this passenger side will come across and curve under. This one will come out forward, and instead of stopping, it will go underneath in this area as well. On top of that, we're gonna do a Muscleman thermostat that will replace this stock cooler, and then we got some carbon bits, and we're gonna remount his HREs back on. He's got a new set of tires, so nice set of HREs are going on it. I think that should pretty much wrap it up. I'm gonna get this thing raised up in the air. We're gonna pull the wheels on it, and I'm gonna pull the trim, and we will start getting ready to put these MSR intakes on. For me, I've done these cars 100 times, so I can look at the bolts and know where they go. But if you're doing this yourself, always grab a tray or something, piece of cardboard, anything you got that's available to you to mark some placement of bolts and where they go. Oh, those are sick. So that's definitely different than the last set that I've done.
Now that everything's torn apart, we can start test fitting. But we do get a sneak peek. Something like that.
Somewhat similar to that there. Any color match will slip around. I'll need like some lubricant and stuff, but put the MAF in it, pull these hoses up above it where they're supposed to go, get some lubricant for our 90-degree elbow so it'll slide in there easily. Yeah, that one should bolt in pretty quick.
Looks so cool.
I didn't get yeah. I will note, if you're going to put front mounts on from stock, you're fine. If you have a car that already has some aftermarket intakes, like we did on the SSRs, then you will need to make sure that you have stock parts, because SSRs eliminate this entirely, and they use their own couplings. This one was eliminated when we had these on there. So if you're going from stock to the front mounts, you're good. If you're going from an aftermarket set, then there's a high chance that this piece will not be on there and you will need it. That looks actually really good. Man, I'm just like thoroughly impressed with how these fit, because I mentioned earlier I've used other manufacturers, and this ease of sliding these in there did not happen. Not even a little bit. More or less, we're done. So I'm going to get the pre-filters put on, throw the bumper back on, and start putting the wheels on. Got an interior trim piece that he wants replaced, and then this car should be a wrap, other than cleaning it. We will definitely need that. Okay, is ready for action. thing loads so much better.